Are you an entrepreneur and professional looking to build a new company website, expand your reach, and grow your business online? Well, you have two options. Hire a patchwork of inexperienced new employees or freelancers to address the problems of poor design, low-quality content, late project deliveries, and everything else that comes with trying to learn and do it yourself. Or you can hire an experienced professional agency like us. We are Blue Ocean Global Technology, an experienced online reputation management, branding, and web design company. We help you by educating your team on the latest technology and providing business consultancy solutions. We start with a deep understanding of your business needs before creating a custom marketing strategy that addresses your unique goals and needs. Our team of seasoned content writers produces high-quality, optimized content for your business. Our design and development teams will leverage their creativity to build a beautiful, interactive, customized, and responsive web design with easy, multi-device navigation. We will also provide regular maintenance, updates, security, and bug fixes to ensure your website ranks on search engines like Google. Our search engine optimization or SEO experts will conduct an online presence audit to provide you with custom business solutions. This will help you outshine your competitors, build a stellar digital reputation, and strategically attract more of the right clients. From building a blog, e-commerce site, corporate forum, or a landing page that actually converts leads, we will work collaboratively to do it all for you. So, what are you waiting for? Check us out at www.blueoceanglobaltech.com or drop us an email for a complete online solution for your business today.